In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on ENJ future while talking about ENJIN cost figure for 2022 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to think about this and some other expectation while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything is a difficult errand, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like ENJIN. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dig profound into the ENJIN value forecast and answer questions in the event that ENJ is a wise venture or not, for what reason will ENJ succeed or come up short, or for what reason will ENJIN value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what is ENJ and its to-date history. ENJIN intro. Established in 2009 and situated in Singapore, ENJIN is a data innovation organization with different items: ENJIN Network, ENJIN Wallet, ENJINX, Affinity and ENJIN Coin, ENJ. ENJIN Coin is a token on the Ethereum blockchain. Consider it a computerized coin that you can use across various sites and web-based games. It could be changed over into different sorts of advanced property like game things or in-game gold. ENJIN Coin stage is made for the game business. SDKs for various style X, wallets and installment stages will be accessible and totally open source. Internet gamers can bring or exchange their resources from one game to another, local area to local area, developing their advanced wallet with genuine worth as they play. You can purchase and exchange ENJIN Coin on many trades, including the main stages like Sex.io, Coinbase and Binance. ENJIN Price Prediction. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its unsurpassed high in the midst of a more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion and U.S. Fed rate increments. Financial backers are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally dangerous play and subsequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a nearby base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the removed and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a regular and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and essential evaluation of each venture. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other restrictive elements created in our crypto lab. ENJIN Coin Price Prediction 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure basically for the main quarter of 2022. Preceding we see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions. Expectation model brings market opinion into a record and responds in like manner. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 October minus 1.25% $0.5018. 2022 November minus 5.50% $0.4802. 2022 December plus 11.26% $0.5654. 2023 Jan plus 12.38% $0.5711. 2023 February plus 15.39% $0.5864. 2023 Mar plus 18.43% $0.6018. 2023 April plus 30.83% $0.6649. 2023 May plus 28.22% $0.6516. 2023 June plus 33.79% $0.6799. 2023 July plus 46.84% $0.7462. 2023 August plus 39.29%, $0.7079. 2023 September plus 47.00%, $0.7470. ENJ Price Prediction 2025. Our expectation model sees ENJ coming to $1.80 in 2025. What will ENJ be worth in 5 years? The cost of ENJ in 5 years could lie around $1.14. ENJIN Coin Price Prediction 2030 to 2040. What ENJIN coin will be worth in 2030? Our anticipating model sees ENJIN coin coming to $4.49 in 2030. What ENJIN coin will be worth in 2040? Our determining model sees ENJIN coin coming to $8.98 in 2040. Will ENJIN coin supplant/outperform/surpass Bitcoin? No, ENJIN coin won't supplant or surpass BTC. Could ENJIN coin at any point reach $10? Indeed, ENJIN coin could reach $10 toward the finish of 2022. Is ENJIN coin worth purchasing? We are supporters of decently hazardous money management. Put a majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a container of large cap coins and the rest in little tasks with gigantic potential gain. Along these lines, in this unique situation, ENJIN coin merits purchasing. Is ENJIN coin a wise speculation? ENJIN coin is, very much like any remaining digital currencies, a hazardous venture. It has higher likelihood of going up than down as a result of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. What amount will ENJIN coin be worth? For the momentary future, it could reach $0.4802. In the long haul, 8 to 10 years, it could leap to $4.49 or significantly higher. For what reason will ENJIN coin succeed and get more expensive? ENJIN coin has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and for that reason our expectation model sees ENJIN coin ascending to $4.49 in 2030. For what reason will ENJIN coin fizzle and drop in cost? Crypto projects come up short in light of multiple factors. Probably the most widely recognized ones are: group denounces any and all authority and leaves the venture, controllers proclaim it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, more effective contenders, absence of all-around planned promoting system, losing local area support, likely weakness in the convention, neglecting to accomplish expected least development movement on the convention, neglecting to draw on new designers to expand on their foundation. Could ENJIN coin at any point reach $100? Indeed, it is conceivable.